Many times people come to see me and I already know them. Pastors come to see me for counseling or something, or just to come and talk. And when they come, you know, we men of God have ways of trying to show that me too, I'm a man of God, or me too, I have my own territory. It's in the nature of a man. So every time they are coming, before they reach to me, I walk up to them and I say, good evening, sir. Immediately, they are compelled to respond back. This is someone who will probably say, yes, how are you? My name is this and that and that. In other words, me too, I know the word, or don't open eye for me here. It's in our nature as guys and men. So when you see, be the first to respond. The first person to submit in that group becomes king over all, because it will compel all. Let me tell you something, friends. If you know this secret, you will be a leader everywhere you go. That's why Jesus said, the greatest among you, if you want to take advantage of men, submit. You want to paralyze a man, submit to him. He will feel stupid treating you harsh. That's why when a man slaps a lady, people say, haba, bros, look at you, see this lady. And the guy stands there embarrassed. He hates himself. He's wondering, when did my hand slap this lady? Because you just compared him to the lady and he remembers. So when you try to contend and brag with a guy, you are fighting. There is a conflict. It's like electric spark. That's what makes the guy to react. So whether it's through slapping, through speaking, through not talking, it's a way of letting you know that you are robbing me of a dimension that needs to find expression.